Hi, this is John with WTI, and lately I've been craving because this is probably one of my favorite soda flavors that I've been trying this past year, and this is the Dr. Pepper cherry soda. And okay, Dr. Pepper is great. It's awesome. I've been having this sodas for the past month on and off. Not every day, but the flavor is really nice. The cherry top or the cherry little taste that you have at the end is like your normal Dr. Pepper, but this little twist of cherry, and you can just have this with any one of the meals that you have during the day or any one of your cocktails that you can actually make a mix with. But the fact that I have this, guys, and I've been traveling a lot lately, and just having this one of these cans, take it out of the cooler, and it's really nice. So now in the weekend, I'm gonna be going to my hometown. That is a lot of nice places to go around. I'm gonna take one of these guys, enjoy it right away, and just have a good time. So this was John with WTI. That was my point of view.